Hello friends, welcome to my channel Upskill with Dharmil. I hope you all are doing great. So friend, in this learning series of UiPath interview questions and answer, today we will understand UiPath testing in detail. Okay, this is a separate learning which we should know UiPath testing. Okay, so let's start. UiPath testing primarily delivers through the UiPath Test Suite is an AI-powered ecosystem designed to test both software application and robotic process automation. So UiPath testing primarily delivers through the UiPath Test Suite is an AI-powered ecosystem. So we will understand AI Test Suite in detail. Just go through the points one by one. We will understand in detail. Is an AI-powered ecosystem designed to test both software applications and robotic process automation. As of 2026, it emphasized agentic testing, where AI agents autonomously plan, design, and execute tests with minimal human intervention. Okay, let's see next. Code components, UiPath Studio, and IDE, where developers create test cases using low code, drag and drop, and coded automation. It includes a specialized template for testing purpose. UiPath Test Manager, a centralized web application for managing the entire testing lifecycle. It links automated tests to manual requirements, track results, integrate with ALM tools like Jira, Azure DevOps, and ServiceNow. So, what is this UiPath Test Manager? A centralized web application for managing the entire testing lifecycle. It links automated tests to manual requirements, track results, integrate with ALM tool like Jira, Azure DevOps, and ServiceNow. Next, UiPath Orchestrator manages the distribution and execution of test set across local or cloud-hosted robots. Okay, test robots execution agents that perform UI, API, and mobile tests across various environments. Key capability in 2026, agentic and AI powered testing using autopilot for testers. The systems can generate test cases from requirements, self-heal broken UI selector, provide real-time actionable insights. So agentic and uh, with the help of AI powered testing, multi-platform support provides comprehensive coverage for web, desktop, and mobile application, Android, iOS, plus specialized testing for enterprise systems like SAP, Oracle, and Salesforce. Data-driven and synthetic data allows for testing with multiple datasets. It can synthetically generate randomized data, example, postal codes, addresses, to simulate diverse scenarios without using sensitive production data. Okay, so data driven and synthetic data allows for testing with multiple data sets. It can synthetically generate random data so that it can do uh, example postcode address to simulate diverse scenario without using sensitive production data. So that is data driven and synthetic data. Performance and API testing simulates high volumes user loads and validate backend logic through API calls without needing the front end UI. So that is for performance and API testing. Okay, let's say it simulates high volume user loads, validates backend logic through API calls without needing the front end UI. Two primary use cases: application testing, ensuring software, example, a new CRM or web application is a bug free before production. RPA testing validates that automated bots are functioning as intended after system updates or changes to underlying applications. Integration and DevOps. UiPath integrates directly into the CI/CD pipeline, allows tester to trigger automatically whenever new code is committed to tools like Jenkins, GitHub Action. This support a shift left strategy, catching bugs earlier in the development cycle. So what is this one? Integration and DevOps. UiPath integrates directly into a CI/CD pipeline. Okay, allowing the tester to trigger manually whenever new code is committed to tools like Jenkins. This support a shift left strategy, catching bugs earlier in the development cycle. So, would you like to explore a specific tutorial for a specific setting of your first test cases, or to see the comparison of UiPath test suites versus Selenium? So, Selenium is also a testing software. UiPath test suite is also a testing software. So, in next video, friend, we will understand this UiPath test suite in detail. Okay. So let's summarize this UiPath testing in detail. So testing is mainly uh, in UiPath through the done through the UiPath test suite. Okay, and it is mainly done to test both software application and robotic process automation. Code components: UiPath Studio is needed. UiPath Test Manager is needed. UiPath Orchestrator is needed. Test bots are needed. So these features are available in test bot and with the help of orchestrator. We have a test manager is completely we can use to test, and studio is needed. Next, key capabilities: agentic and AI power testing. If we use agentic and AI power testing, so test cases are generated from the AI self. If you any broken selector, then it will be self heal and provide real-time action insight. Multi-platform support. These are for multi-platform support for web, desktop, mobile application, all that. Data-driven and synthetic data. So we can create a synthetic data for multiple data sets. It can synthesize, generates random data. Okay. Performance and API testing. High volumes user load validates backend logic through API calls without content. And two primary use cases: application testing, RPA testing. So if any software, new CRM and web page, so we need to ensure it is a bug free. Next, validating the automated robots for functioning integrated system after updates and changes to underlying application. Okay. Next thing, integration and DevOps. So UiPath integrate directly into CI/CD pipeline, allows tests to trigger automatically whenever new code committed to tool like Jenkins and GitHub Actions. This supports a shift left strategy and catching bugs earlier in the development cycle. So this is the introduction of UiPath testing. Okay, friend. So in next video we will understand in detail testing phases, UiPath test suite, and other details. Okay. So I hope this content is helpful to you. So please do subscribe to my channel and keep a key and keep updated with the latest update. Okay. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.